Have you ever wondered why we yawn? While scientists are still unraveling this mystery, several fascinating theories have emerged. One prevalent theory suggests that yawning serves to cool the brain. When the brain temperature rises, yawning may help circulate cooler blood to the brain, regulating its temperature. Another theory proposes that yawning improves alertness and attention. By taking in a deep breath of oxygen, yawning may increase arousal levels, promoting wakefulness and focus. Furthermore, yawning has been linked to empathy. Studies have shown that people are more likely to yawn when they see someone else yawning, indicating that yawning may be a form of social bonding. Some researchers believe that yawning facilitates emotional regulation, helping individuals to process and respond to emotions more effectively. Interestingly, yawning is also contagious. When we witness someone yawning, our brains activate the mirror neuron system, which causes us to subconsciously mimic the action. This contagious nature of yawning suggests that it may have evolved as a way to promote group cohesion and empathy. While the exact reason for yawning remains elusive, these theories provide intriguing insights into its potential functions. Whether it's regulating brain temperature, improving alertness, fostering empathy, or facilitating social bonding, yawning appears to play a multifaceted role in our biology and social interactions. So, the next time you catch yourself yawning, embrace the mystery and appreciate the hidden significance behind this seemingly mundane act.